try this recipe and surprise your family. It's a great choice for your lunch or your dinner, super quick and easy to make. Let's start by chopping 4 medium potatoes. Pile the potatoes inside a baking pan, just taking half of it. Now dice some beef. You can choose your favorite, however, I recommend to choose a juicy and tender beef. I'm writing in the comments our Instagram link. Follow us on Instagram for new recipes every day. Put the diced beef in the other half of the baking pan. Cut a big onion in half and then in 3 more parts. Just follow what I'm doing. Add the onion to the beef and potatoes. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Remember, this is my suggestion. Add the amounts to taste. Mix the ingredients well. Take a moment to comment below where you are watching us from. I will personally thank you for watching this video. We are super curious. When you are done mixing, cover everything with some aluminum foil. Put everything in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. While it's cooking, grate 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. Stop waiting and try this recipe at home. The result will surprise you. Take the beef out of the oven and add the grated cheese on top of it. Sprinkle some oregano. Then put it back to the oven to let the cheese melt. And our recipe is ready! Look how incredibly mouth-watering it is. I hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!